Hello viewers, it's your girl Nima. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be teaching you how to design a flyer with the Canva app. So let's proceed. First of all, you need to have the Canva app on your phone. So you go to the Google Play Store. You can get that in the Google Play Store. Or if you are using an iPhone, you get it in Apple Store. So all you need to do is you search for Canva, and here is the Canva. I already installed it on my phone, so I'm just going to open it. And here is the world of Canva. This is the home page. Here we have list of for you. Here we have social media, presentation, video, marketing, office, and lots more. And below the screen you have home. You have your projects. We have Canva Pro. We have menu. One good thing about Canva is it has over 50,000 ready-made templates that you can use free of charge without subscribing to the pro version. But today we won't be using the ready-made templates. I'll be designing from the scratch for the benefit of the beginners. To begin, you click on this circle with the plus sign here, and as you can see, is what you're looking for. We have a mobile video there, we have an Instagram post, we have your story, card, flyer. So I'm designing a flyer, so you click on flyer. This is what we're going to work on. Here, no keyboard, nothing, is just blank. So you're going to click on this. When you click on it, you can see replace, color, comment, and more. So for you to add your text and all other stuffs, you click on this plus sign. Whenever you see this plus sign, always know that it means to add something. So up here we have home, we have redo, we have undo, and we have this menu, untitled design, as pictures of what we are working on. And here is for save, and this is for upload. But I'm going to using the redo and undo for you to see. And when we finish our work, we can now make use of the download. Now let's proceed. Click on the plus sign. Here we have elements. Here we have templates, some of the ready-made templates which we are not using. So let's proceed to elements. So elements, here we have line, we have frame, we have arrow, square, circle, heart, rectangles, and lots more. So I'll be picking frames. So here I go. Let me pick the circle frame. So, and here now let me give this color. And mix it as you want. You click on this let's make a restaurant flyer. So click on the plus sign again, and here I am adding text. Yes, here is our text. So let me add a big text. So this text, you are going to edit it. Click on edit. Let me see honeydew. So here again, you can, let's add something again. So let me choose a smaller one now. Now open. I'm going to be arranging this now, and here I need I need a picture. I don't have any food picture on my phone, so let me go to photos. Photo on canva. So it asks you search millions of photos. So let me just search for food. Oh, this is lovely. And it's even so all this one you can use this ones. This one that is not having a pro, you can use them. But when you use the one that has pro, let me undo this now. Let me undo this. When you use the one that has pro, canva sign will be on it. So can you see the canva watermark on it? So I will not be using the one with pro written on it. So let me back it. Let me undo it. Let me delete this now. So I'm going to be changing the size of this now. The next thing is here we have delete, we have duplicate, we have font. Let me change the font. I think the font is okay. I'm not changing the font. So now the font size. So for this, let me add shape. So I'll go for elements, shapes. So here we have line and shapes. Making a circle. I'm going to resize it. Let me change the color. You click on what you're working on. Whenever you want to edit the text or you want to add anything, always make sure you click on it. So this is a very simple flyer, and now I can also make it in two color. So let me say I want to add another color. So I'm going to be picking from the elements. So now let me change the color. So what we have to send this to the back. So look for position here. Yeah, here is the position. Back. Can you see? Of this as well. So this one, let me resize this and bring it here. Fit in properly. You can use this. You use this nude. Yes, now I'm done with this. So now let's save our work. Here you save it here. Here is your download. You save as image. You save and download it here. Preparing your design. So Canva is now Canva is preparing your design. It's making the magic happen. Yeah, your design has now been saved to your gallery. See you in the next video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.